Yan. Hi everyone, paano tayo mag-upload ng deposit or transfer slip from GCash to IMG Bank account? Itong Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company sa Kaiser portal natin or sa IMG Kiosk 2. So, unang gagawin natin, punta tayo dito. Type mo lang IMG Kiosk 2. Then from here, ito yun, click mo to. Then scroll down. So in subpay siya. Ito, Kaiser International. Then ito, regular subpay. Tapos, click mo lang itong search na to. Either enter yung application, ID, or policy number dito. So, paste mo lang siya dyan. Then mo lang magpakita yung name mo. Just click this one. Then, automatic naman to mag-fill in yan, yung premium. So, if need na i-edit, tapos kung i-edit mo rin yung policy fee, kung pang 2 years mo na, pang third payment, third year, etc. So, edit mo lang to. For this case, no need to edit this one. Then, click this next button. Tapos, enter yung first name, last name. Then, email address. Enter lang dito. Tapos, click natin to remittance/bank deposit/bank transfer. Then, tick natin to. Yan. Bank deposit transfer remittance. Tapos, fill in yung billing address. So, once okay ka na, click mo itong next button. Considering na Metrobank siya, so dito sa selection, piliin natin to Metrobank. Then, ito yung select button. Yan. Tapos, click natin to. Click here to send us the proof of payment. So, ito select file. Kung saan mo siya sinave, browse mo lang siya. For this case, sa downloads ko. Then, ito yon, open. Set mo na yung time. So, review natin. Date, September 5. Then, yung time, military time siya dapat. So, for this case, 3 p.m. 06:46. So, 13, 14, 15, 06:46. 15, 06:46. Like, confirm natin. 15, 06:46. So, okay ka na dito. So, click na natin tong submit button. Ayan. So, magantay ka lang ng verification, usually around 3 working days. Then, makaka-receive ka naman ng payment approval sa ePay. So, ganoon lang siya. And wait mo na lang mag-reflect sa Kaiser portal yung payment.